Fruity-Veggie rhyme adventure. Broccoli, green like little trees. Tomato, red like a fire's glow. Banana, yellow, a smiling face. Spinach, leaves so dark and lean. Apple, red and oh, so crisp. Orange, round, a burst of sun. Grapes, in bunches, purple and sweet. Cucumber, cool, a crunchy bite. Strawberry, red like little hearts. Potato, brown, a hearty spud. Pineapple, yellow, a spiky crown. Avocado, green, smooth and creamy. Watermelon, pink, a summer delight. Cauliflower, white, like fluffy clouds. Cherries, red, a sweet surprise. Peaches, golden, soft and sweet. Cabbage, a leafy ball. Eggplant, purple, a veggie delight. Pear, so juicy, a gentle sway. Pomegranate, seeds like little jewels. Our fruity veggie journey now concludes.